In this lesson, we will learn about the tools required for iPhone battery repair. 1. Battery soldering machine. To repair an iPhone battery, we need to connect the BMS board to the battery cell. For this connection, a battery soldering machine is essential. If a battery soldering machine is not available, you can use an iron soldering station. In everyday language, the soldering task can also be accomplished effectively. Second, JCID programmer. The data stored on the BMS board needs to be modified. For this purpose, we need a data modifier. In this case, the JCID programmer is used. This tool allows us to easily modify the health and cycle data stored on the original BMS circuit board. Third, JCID battery repair tag, specific model. For models ranging from iPhone SE2, 2020, to SXM, no tag is required for data modification. However, for iPhone 11 and later models, a JCID battery repair tag is necessary for data modification. Each iPhone model requires a specific tag to ensure compatibility. 4. W09 Pro. W09 Pro is another tool used for modifying battery data. When using W09 Pro, there is no need for the JCID programmer or JCID repair tag. However, it supports only iPhone 11 and newer models. 5. 3U tool and JCID repair tool. For iPhones running iOS 17.4 or higher. After modifying the battery data, you must perform a reinstallation of the phone. To do this, you can use tools such as 3U tool and JCID repair tool. In this module, I will show you how to fix battery data using these two software tools. This was an introduction to the tools required for iPhone battery repair. From the next lesson, we will learn how to use these tools. Thank you, everyone.